There was a base pack. I guess you'd call that a hollow, maybe. But don't get a spot. No way. Next pack. It's a little thicker. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Next pack. No, I didn't hit that. I didn't hit that downtown for you, man. I didn't hit that. I didn't hit it. I'm mad too. Trayvon Henderson on the rookie with a freshman fabric. Jeanty. Bang, bang, bang. Number 299. Yes, sir. Who got that boy? Who got them Raiders? Yes, Jeanty. Number 299, chat. We hit that boy. Autograph Jeanty, number 299. Yes, sir. That boy B got that thing. That's our rookie. That's one autograph. Very nice.